in this Nudgify review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Nudgify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll provide a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Now, Nudgify is a software that allows you to check conversion rates of your sales and make them visible. Now, you can see right here, we're on this dashboard. We have everything we need. So, we can sign up for Nudgify. We haven't chosen a plan or created first nudge or installed a pixel yet, but we're going to go through all that and show you how to do it. We've got some notifications here and our accounts too. So you have this dashboard and a list of options beneath. So here, we'll go through Nudgify streams, and essentially means you can stream a Nudgify, which means you can get onto another site, an advert that pops up and shows up what you can do essentially, and you can have a Nudgify link and send it to that other website and essentially get people to browse through all the features and all the products that you have available. Then you got your data feeds right here. You can see what you purchased, any signups, any reviews. You have your nudge settings. So you can highlight a color that could, codify your nudge. See, we've got blue right here. We could do purple. Purple is always nice. And we'll see this later on when we start creating our streams and our nudges. Position, top right, bottom left, top left, and a position on your mobile as well, including the kinds of animations you have and just how distant the edge is from the screen, essentially. You can save these settings. And then you go down here to integrations. Now, integrations, you can connect your Nudgify with different applications and software. So you got Eventbrite, you got BigCommerce, which I'm already assigned to, you got ActiveCampaign, you got a list of options essentially that can connect to Nudgify. So all these websites you may have business on or an account or blog on, you can connect them to your Nudgify, which will stream them and market them for you. You got your statistics as well. Whenever people visit your nudges, how people react to it, your reaches, your stream numbers. Naturally, we have none yet because we've just started. We're not doing anything. Then you have your goals as well. You can set a new goal for yourself if you want to. Goal name. Got the goal completion URL and subdomains. So cancel that. And you can also refer friends as well using your unique link. Get them to your Nudgify. Log into your affiliate account if you have one. You can see your summaries of visitors, leads, and conversions. So we're going to go to streams. So we have no active nudges right now, even though we've created some streams previously. So you just click create stream and it will basically get this up. You can put your name right there. You could, where all your nudges displayed, display them on your website, mashable.com. I've chosen pcashmallsmashable.com. It's a simple blog site, very popular. Then you can add a row if you want to as well, or not. And you can get which devices should see your nudge first, tablet, mobile, desktop, and you can create the stream yourself. You can add a nudge. So you can see all these options provided. You can see the options they give you as well and what they all look like. You have popularity, single visitors, all visitors, the reviews, and these are reviews of Pete Cashmore's website as well that I've used to connect to my Nudgify actually, which you get on the main page. Once you sign up for the main page, they'll tell you to put in your website, and that's where you connect it. So you have here, John D, signups. You can choose whichever nudge you feel works the best for you. We'll choose this first one, and you can refer to a visitor as a lifestyle junkie, as Pete's website does. You can see you can type and edit this right here. Active description, view this page recently. You can edit that as well, and you can show this from last week or 3 days or 1 month. Do 1 month. Hide the times for visits older than 2 days. You can edit all of this right here as well. Even number of visits, you can allow a certain number of visits to your website. So you got 10 right here, or you can randomly rotate them. So now, get here, continue, and you've got this right here created for you. Right here, you can track who visits this site. You can track all the people who visit. It's really, really useful, really, really nice. And you can see underneath this, when we go back to nudge streams, we have this right here. Opening tools, it's got the purple that we liked as well. And you can see right there, that's one for visitors to do. You can add an active nudge to this one now. Since we've shown how to create these nudges, we'll go into other nudges we have. You can add your own custom nudge as well, actually. So you choose an icon, choose Facebook, choose your customized message here. Here we have a stock description. Nothing complex. Find out information on different cities. Then, use suggestion. You can use any of these suggestions for blogs and news. Choose any. Numbers are always usually nice. 10,000 appears, that's nice. And it even tells you right here, it allows you to show any custom message you'd like. You got your image, hyperlinks, insert variables in our API. So that's perfect for you to utilize. You can see how it's going to appear here on the different social media, the nudges. You're going to play it right here for people to click on. That's through the desktop view as well on the phone. It'll be right there underneath. And you can naturally create this, and you got this right here, and you can turn it off. You can make sure it's offline so nobody accesses it. Make sure it's online so it's open to free access, or you can delete it yourself if you wanted to. Now, mentioned, you can see here as well, you can see we added peepmatchable.com right here. That was our organization, sites and organizations. We can add new ones if we wanted to as well. We can add a new site instead of Pete. At a different site, you get the organization, the site name, the URL. You can put that all in, and we'll put another random site for it. So the site name can enable. We'll put the URL right there. Site category. And you've got that different website. This is just an advertising website naturally. And you can see all you have available. The pixel will be inactivated. You can install the pixel. We won't go through that here, but you can do that with the API and site keys as well. You can edit the site too if you wanted to, and configure the organization settings. Click it, and it's its own new thing again. It's not the previous thing it was before. It's its own new thing with the same nudge stream features you can put on it to get to different websites. So you can stream that nudge and get your goal set up and statistics. Look at a goal. Set this website right here. Put the goal name again. And now you can get through documentation and see all the documents that can help you navigate the website. You can type what you're looking for here, and you can get answers to any questions and get all the help you may require to utilize this well. Go to settings here again. You can see all your contacts up here. You got your API key, you got your email address, you got your first name and last name, security, Google logging. You can update your photos when actually put a custom one, which is really, really nice and useful. And you can get to the help widget again. So instead of going on help all the way on the question mark, you've got it right here, and you can have any answers to any questions you want to ask, or you can just personally ask one yourself by submitting it through here. That is Nudgify. Nudgify is really, really easy to use. Again, you can generate nice streams in different websites. It's really quick and really effective. There's not many complications, but I wish I had a few more features to edit your streams with, but overall, it's a nice and effective website. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.